with another tutorial on how I got this beautiful curly hair. Okay, so these are actually clip-ins from Better Length. They're 20-inch clip-ins, and all of this is one bundle, guys. Look how full this is, one bundle of clip-ins. And this is my first time ever using clip-ins. I always thought clip-ins were for white people. To be honest, I never would consider putting clip-ins in my hair, but I kept seeing this company being advertised on Instagram. So I was like, let me check this out. So pretty much Better Length Hair Company is a hair company for African American textures. They have a lot of curl patterns, and also they have straight hair texture patterns for African American hair. So if you guys can see, these clip-ins are amazing. This is my first time using their hair, and I really love them. I'm getting body, I'm getting definition, I'm getting everything with this hair. I really love it. And I showed you guys how I installed my clip-ins. So I've never did it before, so it's easy to do. Anyone can do this hairstyle. And I showed you guys exactly how I did it, so let's get into it. So this is the hair straight out of the packaging. The back is really cute. I like the pink inside or red inside or whatever that was. So this is the package it came in. And I got the texture Kinky Curly 3b-3c 20-inch. So that is how the curls look straight out of the packaging. And those are the wefts, very thick. So first things first, start with some washed hair. I don't like to do any style without clean hair. And I don't know exactly what texture my hair is, so I got the 3b-3c bundle just because I thought it would match perfectly with my hair. I do not have any products on my hair, and that is my curl pattern right there. So the two twists on the side and the braid in the middle are my leave out areas. I did not want that much leave out. I braided the rest of my hair down, and the braids do not have to be perfect, just something to clip the hair on. So as you can see, my braids are not perfect by far. And this is the hair after I co-washed it with just conditioner. That's what co-wash mean. And that's kind of how the pattern look. And these are the clips on the wefts, and the clips are very simple to clip on and off. You just push the clip in and out, and I'm doing that for all clip-ins on that weft. And I'm starting with the 3 clip-in weft. The clip-ins come in a total of 10 wefts. There are 2, 5, 4, and 3 clip-in wefts, and 4 2 clip-in wefts. And I started with the 3 clip-in wefts, and that is how the 2 rows look. So you'll just begin layering the wefts a 1/2 inch apart in a horseshoe-like shape around your head, and you can use whatever clip-in wefts you feel fits your head the best. I started with the 3 clip-in wefts, then the 4, then the 5, and then the 2 on the top. So here you see me placing the 2 clip-in wefts at the top, getting as close to that leave out as possible. And then if you need to, I had some extra 2 clip-in wefts left, and I cut those in half and made 1 clip-in wefts, and I placed those in the front where there were a few gaps, and that is how everything looks when you put all the clip-ins in. Now here's the fun part. It is time to blend that leave out with those clip-ins. So I am untwisting those twists and unbraiding that braid, and finna begin the blending process. So take a spray bottle or a mister. I'm using a mister bottle, and add some water and conditioner to it and spray the hair and the leave out together. And you don't want to get it too soaking wet, just get it nice and damp. Spray that from top to bottom. Next, you're going to take some curling cream. Any kind of your choice is fine. I'm using Shea Moisture's curling smoothie. You're going to use that much, a good chunk of it, and put it on your hair from top to bottom, mixing it in with your leave out and the weave. Then you're going to use some wrapping foam. I like to use the Lotta Body wrapping foam. You're going to use a good chunk of it, about that much, and put it from top to bottom as well, raking it through your hair. Then you're going to take a Denman brush and detangle the ends and the hair, beginning with the ends. And I like to use a Denman brush instead of the paddle brush because the Denman brush detangles the hair and defines the curls as well. Next, you're going to take a spray bottle, that same spray bottle with the water and conditioner, and spray the hair and use a wide tooth comb and comb the hair, mixing everything that you just added to it very nicely. Lastly, you're going to take some gel, any gel of your choice, and I like to use the Eco Styling Gel with the olive oil in it, and you're going to use about that much, a good portion, and you're going to rub that through the hair as well, just to lock and seal those curls in very good. So that is how the hair is looking. Can you tell the difference between that left side and that right side? I look crazy, but that left side is really cute and nicely defined. It is wet, and we're going to start working on that other side, and I'm going to come back and show you how everything looks. Yay, and that is it. This is the hair completely air dried. It gave its own natural volume. No need to diffuse it.